have raised concerns over the Supreme Court's order on Bhushan Steel's insolvency case before India's parliamentarians. The Parliamentary Committee on Finance met today and these concerns were raised in that meeting. Parikshit is standing by with more. Parikshit, take us through the concerns that have been raised by banks in the meeting with parliamentarians.
Well, the Parliamentary Committee on Finance held a meeting today to review the working of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. One of the key issues discussed was the impact of Supreme Court's judgment liquidating Bhushan Steel and rejecting JSW Steel's resolution. Sources tell us that the heads of three key public sector banks raised concerns about the efficacy of the IBC in light of the Supreme Court judgment. The banks told the committee that reversal of the implemented plans undermines the conclusion of the resolution and repayment reversal affects accounting and profitability. According to the bank representatives, the judgment raises concerns about the commercial wisdom of the Committee of Creditors and may even deter future participation in distressed asset resolution. This opens doors to retrospective challenges in completed cases of corporate insolvency resolution. The banks flagged concerns that the judgment has created legal uncertainty among successful resolution applicants. The banks also suggested recommendations, which include that it is important to honour the commercial wisdom of Committee of Creditors. Number two, there is a need to preserve economic value while ensuring accountability. Number three, we need a clear legislative provision to deal with appeals against plans already approved by the Committee of Creditors and the NCLT. Number four, there is a need to safeguard the interest of assenting creditors, and it is also important to consider timelines for appellate courts to act on appeals. Finally, appellate courts must be limited from intervening in resolutions unless there is a fundamental violation of the law. We must add here that a parliamentary committee consists of MPs from both the ruling party and the opposition, and this body can only make recommendations to the government after hearing various stakeholders.
All right, Parikshit, many thanks for joining us. Now, the Supreme Court has